It's me, Bubba, sir. I'm just taking karate lessons today here. We almost do a karate lessons, so I'm gonna be good at karate lessons. Yeah. So, we be good at karate lessons. So, let's just go to karate lessons. Yeah, it's karate. So, today we're gonna do a video, so, I'll put it later. So, for you it is. Outside. That school's karate. So, it's gonna be awesome karate. And this is string number 4. So, it's gonna be awesome. So, we're here. I stop the car, so, let's bring it. So here we are, karate. So, that's gonna be awesome today, Summer. It's awesome today. So, it's awesome. So, goodbye, everyone, and thanks for watching. And this is my story from Angry Birds Plushies. So good. So goodbye, everyone. Thanks for watching. Yay. So goodbye.